But gonna try the GoPro again. Tuco's being a pain in the ass. Got lots of people here. I'm about ready to call and have them taken away. All right, we got winds. I might be blowing up the 10. A little clip wing action. He's just being a total ass. He probably wants to go home. I'm gonna call. I know they're gonna go. I don't know. They got some plans. She's got some errands to run today. Something about go to the store and Lowe's and Home Depot or something. I don't know. I was like, yeah, I'm unboxing the timber. Or the new Grand Tundra, I mean, not timber. And she's talking what all she wants to do, and I don't know. She even came up with something for me to do, and I just gave her the look. So that could be done during the week after work. I hope this video turns out. I think I got it figured out. We'll see. I tested with the phone app and it looked good, so we'll see. First flight of the day. Hope it's the first video. In fact, I think I'm going to land and just see what I got. Flaps deployed. Get it on the runway. Alright, let's stop and see. Alright, it's working. I just watched the first half of the flight and it's working good, working well. So let's get to the rest of the flight in. It's funny, stop to check the video, but man, after last weekend I thought I had all kinds of good videos and I had bumpkus, man. I had nothing. I had just barely the top of the plane.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
And it was windy, gusty as heck. Gusted like 18 miles an hour, and I did a bunch of nice landings and I got nothing. I was disappointed, but I had a good time flying. Tuco did well. He was off leash that day. He's not off leash today, not with people here. Oh no, not a tower, Buzz! Buzz! Keep from going over. Gotta fly by the rules of the club.
Timer stop.
Now we're pretty loose here. Just keep away from the cars.
Timer start.
And if there's more than one or two flying, you fly in a pattern. You don't do crazy stuff. The winds are gusty. They gust up. They're probably high gust around 13 just by looking at the flag. I had my wind gauge out, but of course it was when it was calm. That's how it always works. I'm not going to put it on the car because I'm kind of blocking, or I'm parked where it will block it.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Alright, let's get landing in. Oops. That was a nice little landing. This plane does not stall. It does not have enough authority to stall. At least the way I got it set up on the controls. I got to get rid of Tuco. Getting the Calypso ready to fly. I was going to bring a glider, but I figured out. Alright, I got to get rid of Tuco. Alright, let's land. Call this a flight. I was pretty happy so far. Of course, it's not on the ground. A lot can happen between there and right in front of me. Mark, Mickey's here.
Timer stop.
Joe, Jerry,
Timer stop.
Jim,
Timer stop.
Mickey. There we go. That's a landing. That's a good first flight. Got Mickey, Got the glider up.
Time to stop.
Get my video here, my thumbnail. Get the guys. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.